Mahatma Gandhi, the pioneer of India's freedom struggle, and Lal Bahadur Shastri, the second Prime Minister of India, were born on October 2nd. Today, we are gathered here to celebrate their birth anniversary. Before that, I would like to call our dignitaries to please light the lamp. I request Ashwini ma'am, Priya ma'am. Sharmila ma'am, Jyoti ma'am.
Who is from 10th standard? 10th standard. 9.
Avdesh sir.
Who is here?
Manish. Head boy.
Head boy. Who is head boy?
Manish.
Next.
Both are absent sir.
Swapnil.
Swapnil. Prathamesh. As today his birthday is there. Prathamesh Pawar.
Radam sir.
वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा या कुन्देन्दुतुषारहारधवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रावृता या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युतशङ्करप्रभृतिभिः देवैः सदा वन्दिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निःशेषजाड्यापहा सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके गौरी नारायणि नमोऽस्तुते अहिंसा परमो धर्मः ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः
October 2nd is of great national importance for the country and on this day, two great leaders were born on the Indian soil. Mahatma Gandhi, the pioneer of India's freedom struggle, and Lal Bahadur Shastri, the second Prime Minister of India, with their selfless service to the nation, continue to inspire everyone. Students, if I start talking about these two personalities, it will take too much time. But I'll try to give you their short biography. First, about Mahatma Gandhi. He is well known for the movement led by Gandhiji. About Lal Bahadur Shastri, we can say that again his childhood was also in hardship. He could complete his education after many hardships, and he followed Gandhiji, and he became the second Prime Minister of India, and also he led many revolutions, or he supported many revolutions like White Revolution, Green Revolution. During his work, or during his work as a Prime Minister, when Pakistan attacked over India, that time food scarcity was there. So that time, and also the soldiers need the support from their nation. That time he given the slogan Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. See, again, the many things we can tell about it, but today I would like to mention the two most important slogans given by first Mahatma Gandhi ji. He coined the slogan "Do or Die," Karo ya Maro. Lal Bahadur Shastri given the slogan Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. Hailing the soldiers take the power became widely accepted. When Lal Bahadur Shastri took over the Prime Ministership of India after Jawaharlal Nehru's death in 1964, India was attacked by Pakistan, and during that time, India was dealing under the scarcity of food grains. Lal Bahadur Shastri's call for Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan inspired the soldiers and the farmers to save the country at the border from and inside from the hunger. The slogan became hugely popular and filled the country with mere enthusiasm to defend it internally and externally. Because of Lal Bahadur Shastri's call for Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan, that time all the citizens of India, they followed the fasting. He appealed people that they should fast one day at least in a week, so that the food which can be served and can be provided to the soldiers. So every Monday in the evening, people started fasting and support this slogan Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. And definitely India got over from that situation. Secondly, Do or Die. This became a very popular slogan during India's fight for freedom against British. Mahatma Gandhi had coined the slogan during meeting of the All India Congress Committee, which took place on August 7, 1942. On the next day, Quit India resolution was passed with an overwhelming majority, which declared the immediate end of the British rule in India. The slogan was widely accepted with people ready to lay their lives to get India its independence from the British rule. And as we know, the result of that, we got freedom on 15 August 1947. Gandhiji, known as the father of nation, one of the primary drivers of the freedom and independence. Today, I would like to something more talk about Gandhiji and our small mark of respect to commemorate on Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhiji liked the most freedom and cleanliness. We have already reached our freedom, thanks to Gandhiji and other great freedom fighters. But we still are a long way from reaching our goal of cleanliness or a clean India. Here, I am not talking about the cleanliness of corruption and policies, etc. But I am talking about or asking what we can do on this day to make sure that we can at least keep our surrounding clean. The values for what most of the places. I think there is something we can all do, as we cannot follow the complete non-violence. We are very far from that truth and non-violence, but at least something we can do. Just like the New Year's resolution, we are doing sometimes in holidays also. We are doing the resolutions that I will lose my weight, I will start my studies, but we know that till what end it goes. Today, I would like to request you that we will take a simple pledge, not just for the nation alone, but for ourselves as well. And for that, I would like to call Mrs. Sheila ma'am to give you a pledge.
Mahatma Gandhi dreamt of an India which was not only free but also clean and developed. Mahatma Gandhi secured freedom from Mother India. Now it is our duty to serve Mother India by keeping the country neat and please be ready for the page and repeat after me. I take this pledge that I will remain committed towards cleanliness and devote time towards this. I will devote 100 hours per year. That is 2 hours per week. To do voluntary work for cleanliness. I will neither litter nor let others litter. I will initiate the quest for cleanliness. With myself, my family, my locality, my village, and my workplace. I believe that countries that appear clean are so because their citizens don't indulge in littering, nor they do allow it to happen. With this firm belief, I will propagate the message of Swachh Bharat mission in villages and towns. I will encourage 100 other persons to take this pledge, which I am taking today.
साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल, साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल। रघुपति राघव राजा राम, रघुपति राघव राजा राम, दे दी हमें आजादी बिना खड्ग बिना ढाल, दे दी हमें आजादी बिना खड्ग बिना ढाल। साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल, साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल, साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल। बिना खड्ग बिना ढाल, साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल। It was really inspiring, and there are more versions which praise Gandhiji and his values. See children, the pledge now which we took gives us inspiration. It is simple, but the simple things only can start making change all around us. It is always one step at a time. It is, after all, our neighborhood, our nation and country to where we are living, and we have to keep it clean. It is, can we do this simple thing as a part of our life? The cleanliness should be followed from today and try to keep our surroundings clean. Do you agree with this, children? Yes. So I hope you will follow this as we have taken the pledge. At least we can give our bit of practice of cleanliness so that indirectly the surrounding of our nation of ours will be clean. I would like to request all of you to please stand up for national anthem. Thank you everyone. I just want to give some instructions. Today there will be no online classes, and students have to complete their activities and send to the respective channels. Okay, thank you.